let's start our topic, that is, what is an ion? Atoms have an equal number of protons and electrons, so they are electrically neutral. An atom loses or gains electrons to form ions. So we can say that an ion is an electrically charged atom in which number of electrons are not equal to number of protons. Ions can be positively or negatively charged. Positively charged ions are called cations and negatively charged ions are called anions. Cations are formed by the loss of one or more electrons by an atom. Atoms of metals lose electrons to form positively charged ions called cations. In this way, they achieve the noble gas configuration. Now, let's discuss the formation of sodium ion. The atomic number of sodium is 11 and one atom of sodium contains 11 protons and 11 electrons. And look at the electronic configuration of sodium atom, which is 2, 8 and 1. And we find that sodium atom has one electron in its outermost shell. In its outermost shell, one electron is present. So, the sodium atom loses one outer electron to form sodium ion. Why? Because to achieve the stable noble gas configuration. Okay? And whenever an atom is having 8 electrons in its outermost shell, then it becomes stable. And in order to become more stable, sodium atom donates its one outermost electron to some other atom. And by losing one electron, sodium atom gets 1 unit positive charge and becomes sodium ion. And note it down that a proton has 1 unit positive charge, whereas an electron has 1 unit negative charge. And a sodium atom contains 11 protons and 11 electrons. Since the number of protons are equal to number of electrons, so it is electrically neutral, having no charge. And in case of sodium ion, there are 11 protons and 10 electrons. So, in this case, there is one more proton than electrons. And due to one more proton than electrons, a sodium ion has 1 unit positive charge. So, sodium ion is a positively charged ion which is formed by the loss of 1 electron. Okay? And sodium ion has inert gas electron arrangement of 8 electrons in its outermost shell. Now let's discuss one more example, that is the formation of calcium ion. The atomic number of calcium is 20 and its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 8, 2 and it has 2 electrons in its outermost shell. It has 2 electrons in its outermost shell. So, calcium atom loses its 2 outermost shells electrons to other atom and forms calcium ions having 2 units of positive charge. In case of calcium atom, the total number of protons are equal to the total number of electrons. So, it is electrically a neutral atom having no charge. But in case of calcium ion, the total number of protons are more than the total number of electrons, and it has two protons more than that of electrons. So it has 2 units of positive charge, and the calcium ion has inert gas electron structure of 8 electrons in its outermost shell, which is more stable than that of calcium atom. Okay, so calcium atom loses 2 electrons easily and forms calcium ion.